Welcome to Big Batch Factory. I'm Norm. Let me show you what we do. So here in Big Batch we make batches of paint ranging from as little as 2,500 litres all the way up to 18,000 litres batch of paint. Majority white paint, which is a big demand for us, which is or what we call the bread and butter of Resene manufacturing, or Resene Paints as a company. So this is the 3,000 litre let down stage. So one of the things I do in the afternoon or throughout the day is updating the status update, which is on my fancy iPad here. This is where all the loading of the pigment is done. And so I come up here, have a chat to the guys, see what's coming up, what's in the pipeline, and then again, make sure the status update is being updated. So one of the jobs that we're canning right now is the deck interior ultra low sheen. It's one of our 3,000 litre batch. Come off the line, through the conveyor, get it packed and palletized on a pallet, and then our forklift guy will pick it up and then take it across to warehouse to Gemma and her team. So the boys have just done a sample. It's gone back into the lab. They're going to get a weight, a canning weight, and then they're going to fire up the beast here. This big machine here, we just installed it from sort of August last year, and over here we have the robot that backs the buckets for us. So gets filled over there, comes through the conveyor, get the batch number on it. So from picking up the pallet to picking up the product or the 10 litre bales, it's all driven or handled by the robot. So yeah, which is pretty cool. I've been with Resene now for coming up 15 years, so the canning's all automated, volumetric filler. So yeah, it's pretty cool to see some upgrades happening around during my time here with Resene. And over here we have Taleo and Chase here. So these are the guys that operate our big canning line. So yeah, so these guys are experts. So all these guys are really good workers, keen workers, hard workers, and they love coming here. Well, hopefully. And me being the boss, I hope that's a bonus. No name at the moment, but we can call it Roberto or something. So.